Understanding sine, cosine, and tangent. We have a couple of problems on the board to help you understand how sine, cosine, and tangent works. Let's look at this problem. Example 1. Angle B is 25 degrees, the hypotenuse is 4.25, and we want to find side B. So this is the opposite. So B equals hypotenuse is 4.25 times sine of 25 degrees. Let's go to the calculator. So 4.25 times sine of 25, 25 sine equals 1.7961. So B equals 1.7961. So this is what B equals here. Now, find side B using angle A. Now you know in a triangle, you put all the angles together, they equal 180 degrees. And we know this is 90. So 90 plus 25 equals 515 degrees. So 180 minus 115 equals 6. So this is 65 degrees. So side B now is adjacent to angle A. And so we're going to find adjacent now, that's adjacent to this angle, equals hypotenuse times cosine of 65. So let's put that in. So adjacent is B now, equals hypotenuse, that's 4.25 times cosine of 65 degrees. Now if you look at the formula, B equals 4.25 times sine 25, and B equals 4.25 times cosine of 65. You're going to find out that these are the same. There's an inverse relationship between the two. So let's go to the calculator and put in the numbers. So 4.25 times cosine of 65, and that's the same as sine of 25, equals, and we get the same answer, 1.7961. And so B then is identical here, equals 1.7961. Let's just look at the calculator again. I'll just put in the two numbers of cosine. Cosine of 65, cosine, notice it's 0.4226. Now let's just clear that, and let's do sine of 25 is the same number. And that shows it right over here. That sine of 25 is the same as cosine of 65. Now let's look at the next example. This is example 2. Find side A. That's over here. Now you know if this is 90 degrees and this is 45 degrees, this should also be 45 degrees. 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. So it's 45 degrees. You know that side A has to be 3.45. And the formula to find this is now here. We're finding this unknown side of this 45 degrees. Find side A, and that's adjacent. Adjacent equals opposite. So we're going to put A equals opposite, and this is 3.45 divided by tangent of 45. So it will be A equals 3.45 divided by tangent of 45. Now, what do you think tangent of 45 would be? It's got to equal 3.45. Let's just go to the calculator and look. So 3.45 divided by tangent of 45 would have to be 1, which it is. And that equals 3.45. So A equals 3.45. And so we tried to show you a little bit to understand better the relationships between sine, cosine, and tangent.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.